There's something alien out there.
Location unknown.
Charter 373. This is Commander Mills. My ship was hit by an undocumented asteroid.
Location unknown.
Transporting 35 passengers
Location unknown.
on a long-range exploratory mission. Send help.
We've crash landed on an uncharted celestial body.
Location unknown.
I don't know where we are.
I've located one survivor.
A child.
The atmosphere is breathable.
There's something alien out there.
You need to be quiet
Quiet.
and move. You and I are gonna get home.
Oh, family.
Ready?